Eat.
Okay, Ellie, can you sit in your chair?
Yeah.
Okay, you sit in your chair. Let's do some word cards.
Cow.
Not yet. Okay, you sit down. Got your talker?
Cow.
Okay, we got words everywhere. Let's start with these spelling words, okay?
Yeah.
Let's start with those. Okay, are you ready?
Mom.
It's okay. We're going to do these, and then you can have some computer time.
Mom.
Okay.
She.
Okay, let's see. Do you know any of those words out there? Do you know any of those words?
Cow.
Which one is cow? Look at your words. Tell me which one.
Cows.
Here, let's look at them all.
Cow.
Look at all the words. Look at all your words. Okay,
Cow.
look at them. Okay, do you see the word cow? Okay, I'll take it. Nice job. That's the word cow. Okay, how about cup? Esther's going to pick them if you don't. Where's the word cup? Look at your word. Cup. Nice job. There's the word cup. Okay, how about, let me give you a couple more here. I don't want it to be too easy. Okay, how about the word sick?
Cat.
The cat's sick.
Yeah.
Oh, was that a sentence at school?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have the word sick out there? Can you give me the word sick?
Cat.
Look at your words. Where's the word sick?
Cat.
What word is that? Is it sick?
No.
Oh. See, Esther got your video.
Mom.
What?
Cat.
Oh, the cat was sick? Okay.
Yeah.
Put it back here. I want the word sick. Can you look at them all? Which one is sick?
Cat.
Sick.
Cat.
Yeah, that has a K, you're right. Which one is sick? Look at your words. I know, you're stuck on that sentence, aren't you?
Cat.
Okay, do you see the word cat out there?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Cat.
Which one?
Cat.
The cat was sick, right?
Yeah.
So let's make that sentence. Where's the word cat?
Cat. Cat.
I want the word cat.
Cat.
Is that cat?
No.
Oh, let's look at that word. See it? It's
No.
kite, because that bossy E. Kite. It's close to cat because it has that k sound, but it's kite. So that's not cat. Can you find cat?
Peepa.
You're right.
Cat.
Peepa.
Cat. Cat.
No, look at the words.
Cat.
Look at this one. 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 Okay, which one is
No.
cat?
No.
Look at the word.
Cat.
Cat?
No.
Cat? No?
Cow. No.
No, no cow book. How about cat?
Ow.
Where's cat?
Cat.
That one does have a C.
Cat.
Cat.
T.
You're right. Does this one have a T?
No.
No. Oh, then it has a P. You're right. So which one would be cat?
Cat.
Which word?
Cat. Dude.
Is that cat?
No.
Look at the letters.
Cat.
Which one is cat?
Mom.
I'll take cat.
Yeah.
Is
Cat.
this one cat?
T.
You're really stuck on that. Did a cat have a sick tooth?
Yeah.
It has teeth?
Yeah.
Oh. What word is this?
Cat.
Is this one? Oh, it has the ick, right? But it has a, what's that? Oh, it says ick.
P.
Yeah, pick, right? That's not sick. I want cat first.
Cat.
Not cat. That one is pick.
Cows.
Which word is that?
Cat.
Very good. Thank you. That's cat. Okay, how about, which one is sick?
Cat.
I know. Where's sick? Ah, there it is. Nice job. There's sick. Okay, how about duck? Duck. Where's the word duck? There's duck. Nice job. Okay, how about, you got 2 K words? Wait, we gotta get a couple more out here. Okay, now you have all those C and K sounds. This is gonna be tricky. All right, ready? Oops. All right, where is keep? Keep. Look at your words. Where's keep? What's the first sound in keep? What's the first sound? Keep. This one does have the and the k. But what's the first sound in keep? Keep. I hear a P too, but it's not at the beginning. Where is it?
End.
At the end, you're right. Okay, where's the word keep? It's not that one.
Yeah.
Keep. Look at all the words. Keep. I hear the P, but it's at the end. At the end, you're right. So which one is keep? Okay, so you're showing me these two that have the P. So which one? Can you see them here? Those are 2 words we're picking from. Okay, so which one is keep? I hear E. Okay, so which one is keep? That's so tricky, isn't it? It has the P at the beginning. It's confusing you.
No. Mom.
Look at the other one. This one is, remember we looked at this one. Ick. Pick. Yeah. Okay, where's keep? Keep.
Sheep.
Is that it?
No, sheep.
Not sheep. Say
Cat. Mom.
keep. Keep.
Cow.
Good job.
Cow.
All right, let's look at the words you have left. Okay, which one is cook?
Mom.
Cook. Cook. What's this one?
No.
Cook.
Mom.
Sorry.
All done.
We're not all done. We have more words. All right, which one is cake?
Mom.
Cake. I don't hear P in cake. Do you?
Go.
Cake. No P. I hear cake. Which word is cake?
Come.
Tricky, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Cake. Cake. Yep. Which one is cake? You have 3 words. Which one, Ellie? Yep. Yep.
Nope.
That's not it. Okay, so let's turn it over. That's not it. Okay, look at these 2. Which one is cake?
Mom.
Is that cake?
Yeah.
Good job. That's cake. Okay, let's turn this one back over. How about pick? Pick.
Mom.
Is that one pick?
No.
It's not?
Yeah.
Oh, it is. Look. Pick. Pick. Good job. Okay. Oh, that's too easy. We gotta give you another one. Okay. I gotta mix them up here. Okay. Which one is kite? Kite.
I.
You're right. It has an I
E.
and an E. Kite. Good job, Ellie. Nice work. Okay, let's do your sight words a second.